Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple and tasty chicken curry recipe. Now anyone can make chicken curry. In this recipe we use easiest method to make a tasty chicken curry. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 sliced onions, 1 chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame until the onion change color to light golden color. Now onion has changed its color. Now keep it low flame and add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon chicken masala. Mix it and cook on low flame for 1 minute. Now add 1 chopped tomato and saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 500 grams of chicken with bones. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of water. Stir it well. When it starts boiling, keep the flame medium level and close the lid. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Add some curry leaves and half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Again close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now we can open the lid. The chicken has cooked well. Our simple and tasty chicken curry is ready. Leave it rest for at least 30 minutes to get the flavors absorbed.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.